Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ProofHub, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for ProofHub. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you will see two fields, one for your email and another for your password. In the email field, enter the email address associated with your ProofHub account. Next, move to the password field and type in your password. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. After filling in your details, click on the login button to sign in. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your ProofHub dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login button. Enter your registered email address in the field provided. Click on the Send Reset link button to receive a password reset email. Check your inbox for the email and follow the instructions to reset your password. Once logged in, explore your dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. That's it. You are now logged into ProofHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.